Welcome to the life of a Welsh folk pop star. You might think you're not a fan, but you probably are. If you were to miss me, it would be a shame. The Welsh Whisperer is my name.
Ah, Christmas. It really is my favourite time of the year. A chance to bring joy to loved ones, spread happiness and good cheer. And the possibility of flogging a few more of my festive albums is an added bonus. Hi, I'm the Welsh Whisperer. You might remember me from my smash hit Christmas single, A Pig Under My Tree.
Christmas time, happy as can be. I wanna wake up in the morning with a pig under my tree. Hey!
So, finally got rid of my agent. I was paying him 50 quid a week. He never even got me a single gig. However, turns out my agent was actually my landlord and I was paying him rent. So I got evicted. Now I'm living here. Not all bad though. Got myself a slot on the local radio station, Capelglynmocnantfawr FM. You're listening to Capelglynmocnantfawr FM with your host, the Welsh Whisperer. Happy holidays, one and all. Let's get into the festive spirit with this little ditty. It's called A Pig Under My Tree by yours truly. So, I know my show's going out between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. every Tuesday morning. Not exactly prime time, but I've been mainly playing my own tunes to keep the old royalties coming in. Okay then, we've got ourselves a caller. What's your name and where'd you come from?
Hi, can I order a takeaway, please? 2 chicken.
I think you might have got the wrong number there, mate. We're going to go across to line 2 now. Hello, who are we talking to?
Hi, is that the Welsh Whisperer?
I am indeed. What can I do for you?
Is it true you sleep with dogs?
No, it's not. I groom dogs, only as a hobby. It's completely different. Next caller, hello.
It's good. So definitely is make number. I go for.
Next.
Hello?
Hi, Mum.
Can I hear A Pig for Christmas by the Welsh Whisperer?
You certainly can. It's your lucky night.
Christmas time.
Every year, me and my current girlfriend, Olwen Ymererid Arianwen, who I met on welshandsingle.com, like to give something back to the community. So this year, we're going out to our local streets to perform some festive musical frivolities.
Dwi rili ddim yn hapus am hyn.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love this Christmas.
Mate, rhoi hanner camping ti chdi de? Os ni di please, just cau the gig.
Another successful Christmas in Capelglynmocnantfawr. Do you want some gravy?
Dyw, pan ddim.
Ooh, I did get you one last present.
Diolch. Rhoi efo'r gweddill, ia.